Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Scientists have named 5 foods to help you maintain moisture levels in the body during the winter season. We don't even notice how much water consumption decreases during the cold season. Although everyone understands how important the body's water balance is for health, most people take it much more lightly in winter than in hot summer, right at times. Lack of moisture in the body can affect the immune system, body temperature, joint function, and the like. The water we need is not only available from water and other beverages. Here are a few foods to help you maintain optimal moisture levels in your body this winter. Spinach. Spinach is a powerful source of a variety of nutrients. It improves the condition of the skin, hair, and also helps to maintain optimal moisture levels in the body during the cold season. Spinach also contains lutein, potassium, fiber, folic acid and vitamin E. This makes spinach ideal for the winter season. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most popular vegetables. They are fried, stewed, baked and eaten raw. Tomatoes are 90% water, so they help maintain proper moisture levels in the body. They also contribute to weight loss. Bulgarian pepper. Yellow and green bell peppers have a high water content and therefore perfectly moisturize the body. Research has shown that 93.9% pepper is water. It also contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, beta-carotene, thiamine, and folic acid. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a hearty and nutritious vegetable that many people love. It is put in salads, casseroles, vegetable side dishes, and also simply fried in egg batter. A cup of shredded cauliflower contains approximately 50 milliliters of water. Olive oil. Everyone knows that olive oil is one of the healthiest types of oils used in cooking. Olive oil is rich in nutrients such as vitamin E, healthy fats, and it also moisturizes your body from the inside out. And when you apply it to your skin, it will provide nourishment, which is extremely important during the winter season. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.